Hi everyone and welcome back to the Organized Notebook. In this video, we wanted to show you how to make a simple but functional weekly to-do list with Notion. So let's get started. First, we'll go to an empty Notion page and let's go ahead and title this Weekly To-Do List. And we're going to add an icon by clicking Add Icon, and we'll go with something that's a check mark, like this. And let's go ahead and add a cover by clicking Add Cover and change cover, and we'll go to Unsplash for a huge library of stock images, and you can feel free to choose whatever cover photo you would like, but we'll just go with something like this and reposition it. Save position. And now we'll go to the top right hand corner to do small text full width just so that we have more space on the page. And for this weekly to-do list, we'll only have one main database, which will be in calendar view. So we're going to type /calendar. And let's go ahead and click plus new database. And now it's in a month view like this. So instead, what we want is a weekly view. So we're going to go to this three dots here, go to layout, and we are going to change show calendar as to week. And this is going to show everything in a week view, like the way we want it. And let's name this weekly to-do list. And actually it looks cleaner if we hide the database title. So we're just going to go to these three dots here and layout and toggle off show database title. So now we have a setup for our weekly to-do list like this. And now what we want to do is start adding tasks. So if we add a task here, let's say task 1, and it's going to be include time, and let's say it's due at 5 p.m. And tags are useful because we can then categorize the type of task. So let's say that this is a household task, and you can just type it in like this. And then what's really important is to add a checkbox. So we're going to plus add new property and then go to checkbox, and we'll name this done with a question mark. And next, what we need to do is show this information on this weekly to-do list. So right now we don't see anything. So if we go to the three dots again and go to properties, we can show the done checkbox and the tags. And in this way, you can keep track of your tasks by having a checkbox. The next feature that would be nice to have is if when you click done, it would get removed from this list. So for that, we can duplicate this view by clicking calendar view, duplicate, and we're going to rename this completed. And we're going to add a filter by clicking filter, filtering the done question mark, and we're going to filter it for checked. So this is going to show all the completed tasks. So we're going to save for everyone. Now what we want to do is remove all the tasks that are already completed by going to filter here, going to done, and then we only have unchecked and save for everyone. And now you'll see that that task has been removed and it appears in completed. So if this is toggled off, it goes back to here. So let's try adding another task just to see what happens. And now if we toggle it off, it gets into completed like so. And now the next thing you might be wondering is how to add recurring tasks. Well, Notion doesn't have quite the best way to do this, but if we go to this blue new button here and click plus new template, you could add a recurring task this way. So let's say that you need to throw out the garbage every week on Tuesdays. You could put throw out garbage. And for date, you have to put the time when duplicated or the date when duplicated. So if you want an exact time when duplicated, you should use this one. And if you just want the date, then you can do this one. But either way, you have to choose one of these or it's going to be undated when it gets recurring. So let's just say date when duplicated. And this is going to be a household task, and we're going to go back. And now what you need to do is set it up by clicking the three dots here and setting repeat to every week. And we want it on Tuesdays, and you could set the time that you want it to be created and save. And now it's going to show up every week on that designated time, but you do have to wait until that day for it to appear. So it's not the best way to have recurring tasks, but it is a way to make sure that you don't forget about it. So that's the basics of creating a weekly to-do list with Notion. Obviously, you can add a lot more properties as you wish and customize it to your own needs. We'll be leaving the link to the finished version of this template in the description below. We also have some to-do list bundles in our store, which we'll also leave the link to. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and feel free to let us know if you had any questions or comments or confusions about this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.